Hi, hello, proper good morning. So today I want to start the week off on the right foot. It is Monday morning, and with that in mind, I wanted to batch cook some breakfast, and so I decided to make some egg bites. So these egg bites, they look a little bit different from each other, and I will tell you why. So in this batch, I used half of an onion, one entire zucchini just shredded up, and I strained it, like got as much of the liquid out of it as I could because nobody wants like egg bite soup, you know? I also threw in 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 pound of ground chicken, and then seasoned all of that up, gave it a good stir, cooked it, and to that I added about 1 egg per egg bite. So I had a little mishap. I ran out of eggs and I had to wait for our food delivery, our grocery delivery this morning so that I could make the second batch. So the second batch does have some turmeric, just kind of scrambled in with the eggs. So that's why they look a little bit different. They're a little more orange, but these just, oh, they're so good. They're always just a nice, easy go-to, which I love. You know how much I love having food prepared. I don't like the food prep process per se, but I do like having food prepared. So let me break down the macros for these egg bites. So for these egg bites, we have 24 in total. And so I did use half of an onion, 1 entire zucchini, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 1 pound of ground chicken. I think that's it. And then just like the seasonings and stuff. To that, I did add 26 eggs. So for all of this, the total calories per egg bite is 110 calories. The protein is 10.5 grams, fat is 7 grams, and carbs is 1.5 grams. So a serving for me for breakfast would be 2 of these egg bites. So that is 220 calories, 22 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, and 3 carbs. I added 3 ounces of sweet potatoes to mine. So into the Instant Pot, I just steamed some sweet potatoes and I ended up having 3 ounces. So my total calories for breakfast was 291. My total protein was 23, 14 grams of fat, and 20 grams of carbs. So the carbs definitely came from the sweet potatoes, but the sweet potato is a complex carb. So if you want a breakdown of macros and how this works, and if you have questions, just comment down below. Let me know. So this is gonna be our breakfast for the next few days, and we will have it with some sweet potatoes. You can throw in some avocado or whatever, you know, to meet your goals. So I did eat already this morning, and now I'm gonna go smash out a workout because it's just time. So this was the perfect thing to fuel me. I usually like to work out fasted, but based on our morning routine and the things we have going on, it just wasn't possible this morning, and that's fine. You just go with the flow, you know, sister? So let's go get a workout in and see what we're going to do, and I will talk you through all of that. So come on, vamonos. For today's workout, we're gonna work the lower body with some leg movements. We're targeting the quads, glutes, and hamstrings all in 20 minutes. I'm starting with a little movement in my lower body just to get things warmed up and to get the blood flowing. Honestly, I find that even a little bit of stretching and warming up helps my workouts so much. Also, you know, it's great for preventing injuries, so there's that. Today, I'm using ankle straps, a rope, and handles. I'm gonna be working through 3 sets of suitcase squats, 8 reps each. From there, I'm moving on to 3 sets of ankle strap hip abductions, 10 reps each. And lastly, I'm knocking out 3 sets of the rope pull-throughs, 10 reps each. You wouldn't know it to see me now, but in my CrossFit days, I had a sweet squat. Now I feel like it takes me a couple of sets just to warm up my knees and remind them that they're actually supposed to bend. LOL. Falling in love with squats is toward the top of my goal list, and I know it is all about putting in the reps, and I am fully committed to doing it. Make no mistake, this 20-minute workout is nothing to laugh off. This baby burns real hard like. I seriously had to stop every now and then just to stretch and rub my hips and glutes because the burn was so freaking intense. But let me tell you, when all was said and done, it felt so good to get this workout done. I don't look at the time and think of 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes as being nothing. Any movement is good movement, so do not worry about the time. I myself gravitate toward a shorter workout. I just want to get in and get out. I don't see myself as like the 2 hours in the gym kind of girl, but things always change, you know? workout done. When I tell you, that hurt so bad. I had to keep stopping and just kind of like massaging my hips and like the outer glute because that burn, whew, that burn. But it felt really good. That was like a 20-minute workout, nice and easy. No, scratch that. It was not easy. There was nothing easy about it. Nice and short. We'll say it was on the shorter side, but even 20 minutes is so super sufficient to get the blood pumping, to get your muscles burning. And I feel like I did not stress my body out at all. I do start breathing a little bit harder than normal because I am trying to push heavier weight. And with each set that I do, I did increase the weight, even if it was like by 2 pounds. So anywhere from 2 to 5 pounds is what I increased the weight by between sets. So also between sets, I take a break anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. And then between movements, I try to take at least a 60-second break just to give my muscles a little bit of time. So workout done, we had an awesome breakfast, and now we have some breakfast for the rest of the week, and I am so excited. So comment down below, let me know what kind of workouts you want to see. Let me know what questions you have. I would love to answer them. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up, you subscribe, and you click that notification bell because all of that really supports my channel and it means the world to me. I will see you next time. Mwah.